Come in. That was so soft. Go. Come in. Come on now. Oh. Go. Come in. I didn't fully say come in yet. Restart. Come in. Major flaw. Where's the hello? Oh. Go. Come in.
Hello?
Have a seat. And kill. Hold on, you gotta wait because we need a buffer if we want to cut it. We're gonna cut it after I say have a seat and just gonna show you doing this.
Okay, alright. Wow, this is your desk? You must have picked your job.
Oh my god, so horrible.
Oh, shut up, you can do better. How should I... Wow, this is your desk? You must have picked your job. Sorry.
No cheer fights.
Wow, this is your desk? You must have picked your job.
Okay, let's just skip the...
Alright, so here's my resume. Alright, so here's my resume.
Talk louder.
Alright, so here's my...
Oh man.
Alright, so here's my resume.
Try that again.
Alright, so here's my resume.
Alright.